Blogger and murderer Musa Khawula has been suspended from Twitter, and I must say the people on Twitter and celebrities are celebrating as the bully lost his account, which had over 200,000 followers. Now this comes after he shared a 2-second clip of a man wiping himself with a towel naked and allegedly said that it is musician Lulo Cafe, which led to people reporting his account because it had violated the man and the video's dignity, you guys. Lulo Cafe ended up deactivating his Twitter account shortly after that video got published on Twitter. Now, Musa Khawula has been accused of posting that video to shift attention from him because he is going through a murder case and his trial was underway on Monday, you guys. Unfortunately, that stunt did not end well as he ended up losing his Twitter account, you guys. Now, there you have it. Please do share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe if you have not yet done so. I shall surely see you on my next upload. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.